Oh. Oh no. Daniel! Daniel, come here, quickly!
What's wrong? Grace, are you okay?
I think the baby is coming.
What? Tonight? But the due date is next week.
Babies don't always wait for the calendar, Daniel.
Leo, did you hear that? Is the baby really coming? I don't know. Mom looks worried. Dad looks worried too. Then I am a little worried too.
Okay, stay calm. The hospital bag. Where is the hospital bag?
You packed it last week, Daniel. It's by the front door.
Right, I knew that.
Dad, your shoes are on the wrong feet.
Wait. Everyone, just give me 1 second.
Mommy, does it feel hard right now?
A little bit, sweetheart. But it means your baby brother or sister is almost here.
Brother or sister? We still don't know which one?
Nope. Tonight we find out. That's the exciting part. Breathe, Grace, just like we practiced.
In
and out.
I am breathing. You breathe too. You look more nervous than me.
I'm just drawing weighty. Becoming a father again.
Leo, look. Dad's hands are shaking on the wheel.
Come on, turn green.
Daniel, calm down. We have time.
I know. I just want everyone safe.
Thank you so much.
Kids, stay close to me.
Are you the Miller family?
Huh?
We got your call. Right this way, ma'am.
Don't worry, little ones. Babies take their own time to say hello to the world.
I hope it's a girl. Then I have a sister. I hope it's a boy. Then I have a brother. We can't both be right, Leo.
Then we will love the baby either way.
Yes, either way.
You are making me tired just watching you.
Mr. Miller? Congratulations. Your wife is doing very well.
Is the baby here? Is it a boy or a girl?
Come and see for yourself.
Come meet your new sister, kids.
Look at her little face. She looks just like you, Zoe, when you were born.
A sister! I knew it!
She's so small. Her hands are so tiny. Say hello to baby Lily.
Hello, Lily. I'm your big sister. I will teach you everything. I will teach her to play soccer.
One thing at a time, Leo. Let her sleep first.
Tonight was scary, but it was also the best night of my life.
Big changes can feel frightening at first, but when family stays close, a scary night can become a beautiful memory.
I'm not scared anymore. I'm just happy.
Me too. Welcome, Lily. Home is next. Just one more email. Just one more email.
What's wrong? I heard shouting.
My phone is in the toilet, Daniel!
Mom? What happened?
My phone! It fell in the toilet! Ew. Is it broken? I don't know yet. Oh, this cannot be happening today. All my work messages are on there. My meeting is in 1 hour.
Okay, don't touch the screen yet. Let me think.
Can we help, Daddy?
Yes. Leo, please bring me a bag of rice from the cupboard.
Rice? Why rice?
Rice can help pull the water out. It's an old trick.
Do you really think this will work?
I think it's our best chance right now. Let's give it a few hours.
A few hours? But my meeting.
Use my phone for now. We'll call your manager together.
Mommy, can I check it? Please?
Not yet, sweetie. Patience.
This is the longest hour ever.
All right. Moment of truth.
It's working! Oh, thank goodness, it's working!
Yay, we fixed it! Team Miller saves the day again.
I learned my lesson today. No more scrolling emails in the bathroom.
And always keep a backup of important phone numbers, just in case.
And rice isn't just for dinner.
Thank you all for helping me today. I couldn't have fixed this without my little team.
Attention!
Is everything ready? Yes, Director Voss. The case opens at exactly 6 o'clock.
That's Director Voss. And that's the Pearl case.
Hello, everyone. Today, we will go to the aquarium where we will enjoy the sharks, the fish, and much more. So stay tuned and let's go.
We're really going in. I can't wait to see the sharks. I want to see the golden pearl first. Wow, look at that pearl.
That is the midnight pearl, the rarest pearl ever found in the ocean.
Is it really black?
Yes. Divers found it 50 years ago. It has never left this aquarium.
Can we touch it?
No. Only look. It is very precious.
Excuse me, sir. Is the shark feeding starting soon?
Yes, in 10 minutes. Follow the blue lights on the floor.
Mia, Sam, stay close. This place is big.
Look carefully at the pearl. I might ask you about it later.
Okay, I'll remember it.
Is everything ready? Yes, Director Voss. The case opens at exactly 6 o'clock.
Good. After tonight, that pearl pays for everything I owe.
And if someone sees us?
No one will. We blame Owen. He's new, easy to blame.
Director Voss? Do you need something? No. Just checking the tanks. Go help visitors.
Mom, can we go closer to see the sharks?
Okay, but Sam, hold Mia's hand.
Attention, please. All visitors must leave the building immediately. Is it a fire? I don't know. Everyone's running.
Sam! Mia! Where are you?
I'm scared, Sam. Me too. But we have to find Mom and Dad.
Mia, Sam, has anyone seen 2 children?
Please, ma'am, everyone must exit now. My children are still inside. We will check the building. Please wait here.
Mia, hold my hand. Don't let go.
No one will. Not with this alarm going off.
Are you two okay? You shouldn't be back here.
We got lost. Everyone was running.
Come with me. We'll find your parents. But first, tell me, did you see anything strange?
We saw a man. He was talking about a case and blaming someone named Owen.
That's me. What did he look like?
That's Director Voss. And that's the Pearl case.
He's really stealing it.
Stay behind me. Dad,
It's Sam. We're safe. We're with a keeper named Owen.
thank goodness.
Where are you? Dad, Director Voss is stealing the Black Pearl. He wants to blame Owen.
What? Stay hidden. I'm calling the police right now. There are 2 paths to the loading exit. One goes past the jellyfish tanks. The other goes through the shark tunnel.
If we make them go through the shark tunnel,
I can dim the lights there and turn on the underwater sound system. It won't hurt anyone. It will just look very real.
like the sharks are closer than they are.
Exactly. Mia, you watch the camera screen. Sam, you play the sound when I tell you.
We're ready.
Stay in this room no matter what happens.
This way is faster.
Wait, the lights just went out over there.
Just a broken bulb. Keep moving. Take the shark tunnel.
I don't like this tunnel.
Keep walking. We're almost at the exit.
What was that sound?
It's nothing. Probably just the tank system.
It sounded close. Too close.
I don't care! Drop the case if you have to, just move!
They're not moving forward anymore. Perfect. A little more time.
Wait, are those police lights? No! No, no, this can't be happening!
Director Voss, stop right there! Officer, this man is not who he says he is.
Put the case down. Slowly.
I didn't want any of this. Ray convinced me.
Save it for the station.
Mia!
Sam, are you hurt? Are you okay? We're okay, Dad. Owen helped us the whole time. Thank you, Owen. Truly. They helped just as much as I did. They were very brave.
I was really scared in that tunnel.
Me too. But we didn't run away. We stayed and helped.
Next time, we won't wander off. We'll stay together.
Good. That is exactly right.
That's what matters most. Being brave doesn't mean feeling no fear. It means doing the right thing anyway.
Safe. Right where it belongs.
What a day. I'm so glad we're all safe together.
And I'm proud of you both. You showed real courage today. We learned that being brave means helping, even when you're scared.
Thank you for watching our story. See you next time.